So what happens is this scrub warms up when it comes in contact with the skin and it becomes warm, you guys. My entire face feels warm. Sugar granules are completely melted. After using this scrub, I have decided that I am going to buy scrubs only from Korean brands. Lot of us use chemical exfoliators to remove the dead skin cells. Most of us think that physical exfoliators are harsh on the skin. I bet you have not used this one. This is the Face Shop Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub. This is a physical scrub. It has brown sugar granules in it. It comes in a tube form. I really like when scrubs are in a tube form because you don't have to dip your fingers into it. This is how it came, no outer packaging or outer carton. So let me tell you what's given on the back of the packaging. It says an exfoliator with honey and black sugar that not only creates a smoother complexion but also deeply cleanses the pores. So that is what is written in English. Other than that, everything is written in Korean except for the warning and direction for use. Only these three things are in English. I think that's enough. It's a very smooth scrub, you guys. It is not at all harsh on the skin. The walnut scrubs sometimes for sensitive skin might be harsh, but this one, oh my god. This gives you instant result. I don't know if chemical exfoliators would give you instant result because I have not used chemical exfoliators on my face, but I have used on my body. It didn't give me any result. So physical exfoliators are something that gives you instant result, while this one is suitable even for sensitive skin type because the brown sugar granules are very delicate and gentle, and when it comes in contact with the skin, it melts. So if you take any walnut scrub or an apricot scrub, the granules do not melt, right? While this one, the granules melt. Application is just like any other scrub. Wet your face. Take a coin-sized amount. Take a little bit of it and start massaging onto your face. So what happens is this scrub warms up when it comes in contact with the skin. Yes guys, you heard it right. Yes, it warms up. It feels warm on my fingers as well as on my face. And when you blow at, it becomes even more warm. Oh my god. Such an interesting and unique product from the Face Shop. After using this scrub, I have decided that I am going to buy scrubs only from the scrubs or exfoliators, so only from Korean brands, because K-Beauty keep it really gentle and mild. The sugar has started to melt and it becomes warm, you guys. My entire face feels warm. So what I believe is that Korea or the other Western countries mostly have colder climates. So in that cold, people cannot do their scrubbing routine at all. So when I go to Ooty or Kodaikanal, I don't feel like washing my face at all. I couldn't even touch the water. Washing face or applying moisturizer or doing your skincare routine itself is a task in colder climates. So I believe that Face Shop has created this unique formula that heats up when it comes in contact with the skin so that you can comfortably apply this. That's what I believe. It may not be true, but that's what I think of. So let me start massaging and stop talking. It's been 2 minutes and the sugar granules are completely melted. So I'm going to wash my face with water. Do not use any soap or face wash or cleanser to wash this off. Just use plain water. My skin feels like it has reborn. It feels very soft. By soft, I mean, guys, very soft. I can't describe in words how soft my skin feels right now. And it also brightened my skin because it has eliminated the dead skin cells, which is giving me dullness. So it eliminated the dullness and it has brightened my skin. My blackheads and whiteheads are not there right now. It's completely gone. And if you guys use this regularly, the blackheads and whiteheads do not reappear. So this is the result that you see. So now let me quickly move on to the pros and cons of the Face Shop honey and black sugar scrub.
Living life every day.
The first pro of this product is that it has tiny little sugar granules in them, which does not cause any micro tear on the skin. The second pro is that it is very gentle and mild. It is even suitable for sensitive skin types. No matter what skin type you are, you can definitely use this. The result that it gives is super amazing. It makes your skin feel like it's reborn. It is super soft and super smooth. It clears out the blackheads and whiteheads on your face. It removes dead skin cells so effectively. It also brightens the skin by removing the dullness.
Late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
When a scrub comes in contact with the skin, it becomes warm. That warmthness might not be comfortable for few people. So that's it guys. These are the pros and cons. I absolutely love this product. I'm sure you guys will love that too. This gets a 5 stars out of 5 rating from me. If you have oily skin, you can use this scrub thrice a week. If you have dry skin, you can use this scrub twice a week. Doing this regularly, you will see a clear skin that most Korean girls have. Our skin naturally sheds dead skin cells once in 30 days. The epidermis sheds dead skin cells and generates new cells. If you want to know why it is important to exfoliate your skin and what are the benefits of exfoliation, kindly check the link that I have left in the description box. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.